What if the ordinary things around you, a deck of cards, a breath of air, the night sky, were actually doorways to truths so wild they flip your view of reality? Today on Lies and Legends, here are 5 mind-bending facts that are simple to grasp, but hard to forget. By the end, your everyday world will feel brand new. Number 5. A shuffled deck has basically never happened before. Shuffle 52 cards, and you get one of 52 possible orders. That's about 8x10, 67 different arrangements. There are more possible shuffles than there are atoms in all the people, mountains, and oceans on Earth. Odds are the exact order you just made has never existed in the history of the universe. Ordinary shuffle, cosmic uniqueness. For 4, your breathing history in every breath. Each breath you take contains roughly 10 tau 22 molecules. Air mixes around the planet in a couple of years, so the simple math says that every single breath likely includes a few molecules once exhaled by dinosaurs, pharaohs, or your favorite scientist. The air is a shared archive. Old lives, new lungs, same molecules. Take a slow breath. You just inhaled a little history. Mid-episode challenge. Which of these first 2 facts hits you harder? The unique shuffle or the shared breath? Tell us why in the comments, and if you're into mind flips, you can explain to friends in 1 sentence. Subscribe to Lies and Legends so you don't miss the next one. Number 3. The night sky is a time machine. Light moves fast, but not instantly. The moon you see is 1.3 seconds in the past. The sun is 8 minutes old. Andromeda, the nearest big galaxy, is a snapshot from 2.5 million years ago, around when early humans first used stone tools. Some stars you see tonight may have already died. Their light is still on the way. Look up, and you're not seeing space. You're seeing time. Number 2. You are mostly empty space, but quantum rules keep you solid. If an atom were a football stadium, the nucleus would be a grain of sand at midfield. The you we see is almost entirely empty distance in between. So why don't you fall through your chair? 2 quantum guardians. Electromagnetism, like charges repel, and the Pauli exclusion principle. Electrons won't share the same quantum state. Your solidity isn't bricks touching bricks. It's rules preventing overlap. You're a symphony of forces wearing the mask of matter. Number 1. Time doesn't tick the same for everyone, right now. Put an atomic clock on your head and one at your feet. The one higher up, weaker gravity, runs a tiny bit faster. Speed also stretches time. Moving clocks tick slower. GPS satellites correct for both every day by about 38 microseconds, or your phone's map would drift miles. Even standing still, your head is aging a hair faster than your feet. Time isn't a river, it's a landscape that bends. Quick recap, shareable. Decks are uniquely shuffled, breaths recycle history, the sky shows the past. Your body is mostly empty space kept solid by quantum rules, and time itself is flexible enough that your phone has to fix it daily. If that didn't change your perspective, read it again. Which fact will you drop on a friend first, and why? Add your pick in the comments. For more big ideas explained in plain English, subscribe to Lies and Legends, and keep your curiosity 1 step ahead of the crowd.